Hello and welcome to Cat Science Club. Please like and subscribe for more science fun. Today we're going to be making straw flutes. Not quite like this, but they do make some outrageous noises.
Thank you for watching a Cat Science Club science activity video. Cat Science Club is an organization based out of the Toledo, Ohio area. Our goal is to bring activities, science camps, and science videos such as these to children in our area. We were founded by and we partner with educators in order to bring science to elementary students in fun and exciting ways. Our goal is that all students will remain engaged in science throughout their years in school. Like and subscribe and follow us on social media to help us with our mission. You will also be updated every time we post about our fun science activities.
I have 3 different straws here to see if there's a difference when we make the straw flute. So I'm going to start out with the large one here. And what you want to do is you're going to cut at an angle. And then cut at an angle. So then you have something that looks like that. All right. Now on this straw, it's a bendy straw, so we don't want that bendy part, so I'm going to cut that off. So cut it at an angle. Kind of getting a tower or a tip, a spearhead, if you will. And another straw. Oh, better cut that straight. Okay, once again, you're going to take it and cut it at an angle. Cut it at an angle. Okay. Now I have 3 different straws, and they're of different thickness. Okay, and here comes the hard part, is trying to get them to make some noise. What we're going to do is we're going to put the straw up to our lips and then blow through them. And that will cause a vibration. The vibrations will create some sounds. Take some practice though. All right, that was one. This one's a little bit thinner than that last white one. It's tricky. It's not easy. It takes some practice. Now, if that doesn't drive your family crazy, I don't know what will. All right, so here's a thicker one. This is a milkshake straw. I'd like to thank my friend Lisa for getting these for me. They're much harder to do. Notice how I was pressing on that a little bit, try to soften it up. It tickles the lips. Now, notice how I was cutting them and they got smaller and smaller, shorter and shorter. As they got shorter and shorter, did the sound change? So what may have caused that? Write a comment, and I'd love to hear what you had to say. What might have caused the sounds to change? You know, was it different vibrations? Was it blowing differently? Was it maybe the size of the straw? Was it the length of the straw? What did the length of the straw have to do maybe with frequency? These are great ideas. These are great things to think about as you're learning about sound. Remember, once again, it was the vibrations causing the tube to vibrate when I blew through it. As you blow through the straw, it's going to vibrate the straw, and then that's going to bounce into some air particles, and those air particles bounce into other air particles, eventually bouncing into the air particles outside your ear, which then bounce into the air particles inside your ear, which then bounces on your eardrum, which registers in your brain as a sound. So that is how the straw flutes has to deal with sound. Vibrations create sound. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.
If you're interested in learning more about Cat Science Club, check us out online at catscienceclub.com. Thank you again for watching and enjoy your science activities.